Hello YouTubers, give you an explanation here of what you're seeing. I wanted to build a small cook rocket stove, and I've seen guys do them in metal cans, and I kind of wanted one more permanent than that. So what I did is I took two 8-inch, that's 8-inch diameter, them holes, right? That's a 8-inch cardboard sonotube, right? And I cut them so they'd go together, and taped them together. And after I taped them together, I mixed concrete. I did a mix. Now, I'm not saying this is a good mix. I'm just going to tell you what I did. I had about a half a bag of grout, about 5 pounds of grout. I had about 10 pounds of Portland. I had probably 2 buckets of sawdust, and I had about a half a bag of mortar mix. And I mixed that together, and I mixed it pretty dry, and I formed that around those sonotubes. And then when those sonotubes, or when that dried, I just lit the fire and burnt the sonotubes out. And then I bought some of them tiles that are on mats, you know, from Home Depot or Lowe's, right? And just put the mastic on there, and tiled it. And you can see I didn't even get them really good and straight, but I got them on there, and you can see I got the little bumps here, so you can set a pan up there. I've also got a small grill here, and I plan on cutting this in half and bringing these two sides in. Yep. So anyway, I was smoking down there at the bottom. It's sitting on a board up on top of this other concrete countertop. I was a little alarmed there because I was smoking. But anyway, that I've got about 5 hours of labor in that thing, probably. Just some scrap concrete and probably about 4 square foot of tile. I think it'll, since it's hold up in the shower and the bathtub, I think it'll hold up sitting outside. Anyway, I just want to share that with you guys. You can decorate them anywhere you wanted to. You can take tile and break them up into little pieces, and do a mosaic on there if you wanted to. But anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. That's my rocket cooker. Thanks for watching.